This is my next project. It's going to be a sign, and it is 18.5 inches wide and 11 inches tall. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to put on it. Okay, here's what I'm going to put on the sign. I'm going to paint the background of the sign, the board red, and do the lettering in white. The font, I know on the top, Have Yourself a Very Merry. That is a Euro Western, I believe. I got it off font.com. And the Christmas, I'm not really sure what it is. I can't remember. And the hat, I believe I got that off of Etsy, but I'm not really sure. And for the frame, instead of painting it a color or staining it, I'm going to try something just a little different for the frame. So I'm going to start painting the board now red and let it dry. And I do already have my stencil cut out, and as soon as it dries, I will stencil that on there. Okay, that is my first coat. I'm probably going to have to give it about 3 coats. And I used the Folk Art lipstick red. I don't know. I might go to a little darker red, but I'll see. But this is the first coat. All right, I have it ready to stencil. I do have some pieces that I'm going to have to be careful so I don't get bleeding. That large of a piece was kind of hard to get down on there. All right, I'm going to start stenciling. All right, I have it stenciled and ready to put the frame on. And next I'll take you out to the garage and just give you a little shot of what I'm going to do with the frame. All right, here's just a quick shot of what I done. I got a blowtorch and I'm just going over the board and burning it a little bit. And it really turns out to make a really pretty frame. You don't need very, yeah, you will. I'm gonna be quiet. You're doing this. Got my husband out here to put the frame on for me today.
Okay,
do I need the glue?
Not necessarily, I don't think so.
That's what always causes my problem. I put the glue on and it slips and slides. And then when I get it nailed, I see it's crooked. But he's used to building things, so I asked him to come out and do it for me. All right, he's going to do that all the way around for me, and it'll be finished. I will put a hanger on the back. What?
Did that go down like that?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'll have to say, I really like the burning technique on the wood, especially with this type of sign. I think it's very fitting. And I'm just going around and giving you a little bit of a close-up of it. And now I'm going to move on to my next project. All right, this is a project that I done probably, it's been over a month. And I took it off my phone and was going to add it in with my other videos. And I've looked for it and looked for it and looked for it, and I cannot find it. So, but I did want at least to show it to you. It's such a simple project, and it turned out really cute. All it is a brown bag, and I found a pattern for my gingerbread man, traced it out, and put a coat of Waverly antiquing wax, watered down pretty good. And then I went over that with some Mod Podge to give it that leathery texture. I mean, it doesn't feel like a paper bag. And then I just took the glue gun and went around and glued it till about right in here, on this here. And I used this, just stuffed a little bit of batting up in there. And then sealed it off with some more glue, hot glue. And then put 2 little dots for the eyes, the mouth, and some little red paint for the cheeks, made a little bow with the material here, and 3 little dots for buttons. And then I had a white paint pen that I went around and just dotted like that. You could do the little normal things like that also. And oh yeah, I wanted to add, when I was gluing it, when I got up to the top of the head, I had a piece of jute ready to put in there and just glued it in for the hanger, and that's how it turned out. And it was so simple, and I wished I hadn't lost the video, and I kept thinking, well, if I can't find it, I'll do it over again while I'm running out of time. So, but I did want to show you this. It's just a brown bag, and they're so easy to do and turn out really cute. All right, I just wanted to share that one with you. Well, I'm working on another horseshoe. Oh, yuck. Okay. And it's kind of a pewter looking color. And it's not the color I want. So I got it all over me. I got some more of this stuff out. This is a, what color is this? It's different than the last one I used. Just says elegant finish, metallic glaze. Boy, look at that. I need a paper towel. But I'm going to put that color on this because I don't really like the pewter look. See how that turns out. It's going to give it a little shine and darken it up a little bit, I hope. The reason I'm getting it on my hands because I've done the back side and I didn't, just to see if I wanted to do it, and I didn't let it dry. Put a little more on and let it dry. Around the inside. Okay, around this way. Alright, I'm going to finish this up and then I'll show you where I'm going from there. Okay, now can you see that dried on there real nice? Gave it a pretty color. And then I just took some jute twine and wrapped around the edges so it can hang. And now I'm going to find me some greenery and things and put something on there for Christmas. Alright, I went and found me some little thin wire. And I'm going to wire this together. Somehow. And I'll cover it with pine cones or something. Okay, turn it over. That is little bitty wire. Okay, stick that up like that, and I think probably put it right in there, and I'll wire it on. If I can get the wire untangled. Okay. I wonder if I should go in one spot or kind of wire it around like I did that one. You know, and I think I'm going to wire it in a different spot too. More up in the middle. I didn't get a big enough piece of wire. That wire breaks easy. Maybe I ought to use something a little thicker. This probably see, that's not too stiff. That's pretty stiff. Let me try this one here. There. Put that back up there. I've got so many projects going, I can't even find anything. It's all scattered. Okay, I want it like that. Let's see. It's slipping. Okay. Then I'm going to go in here somewhere and wire it too. Right in there somewhere. I don't want it coming off. And I'll have to cut that. That went good and tight. All right. Yeah, that's on there tight. And then if I wire it right in there, and then I use hot glue to glue the stuff on, that ought to hold. Alright, I'm going to finish some more on this instead of having you sit here and watch every little move I make. Because I'm having a hard time seeing it. Oops, that flipped somewhere. So did that. Ah, I see where that went though. Alright guys, I'm going to wire some more on this and find some more little things to go on here. And I'll be back. Well, my husband didn't shut the gate. And here they all are piling in on the front porch. They'll be making a mess. Okay, here is the horseshoe. Now the lighting just, once again, is not very good. I'm going to have to go see if I can find some lighting. You can't really even tell what I have on it. Whoa, looky here. There's Mr. Roo-Roo. You can't have my chickens. You will not be able to stay if you get chickens. Alright, I'm going to go find some lighting. Boy, my door needs cleaned. And see if I can get a better shot of this. Ooh, look at that big rooster. I hatched him out. I hatched 5 hens and 1 rooster. I got really lucky out of 6 eggs. Because I don't have another rooster except for the little Bantam roosters. I have 2 of them. And that little tiny chicken, that's a little, I guess that's what they are anyways. They're teeny tiny. Well, I had a hard time finding lighting, but I'm going to try to get a little bit of a close-up. And there you can see the glaze that I put on it. It gave it a really pretty color. And there's the greenery. And I have it hanging in my entryway on a little peg board that I made. And now I think I'm about ready to finish up on my Christmas. And I've got a few things that I started on last year that I put back that I found. And I'm going to finish those things up, hopefully, in the next video. So, until the next one, we'll see you later.